I'm Andrea Wayman. I'm the Chief Executive of Elite, our supported employment agency, and also Elite Paper Solutions. Elite Paper Solutions offers a paper collection service to the public and lots of businesses in the area, and we provide paper destruction for confidential waste and we recycle that. The main purpose we set our business up was to create local jobs for people with disabilities or disadvantage. And the one thing that we've seen through the growth of our business is that it's enabled us to create sustainable employment for people. We're working with lots of businesses in the area. We're saving them lots of costs that they were previously paying out, and the social impact that it's having on the people that work at EPS is quite significant. People's quality of life has improved, as well as their finances. The future's looking really exciting for our business. In the past 12 months, we've doubled our income, and most recently we've got involved with the stationers that provides recycled paper, and that paper can be recycled 9 times, stopping it going into landfill, and at the end of the 9th life, that paper can then be utilised for byproducts, and so it's a really good scheme for us to get involved with.